Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today's program, we focus on South Sudan, a country facing serious political tension, humanitarian concern, security challenges, and human rights issues. We will talk about the U.S. aid suspension controversy, a prisoner release under presidential pardon, rising abduction and sexual violence, government response to aid obstruction accusation, deadly clash in Leer, and a new government reshuffle in Western Equatoria. Please, before we begin our report, I would like you to tip the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. South Sudan say it was not informed about U.S. aid and aid suspension. The government of South Sudan said it has not received any official notice from the United States regarding the suspension of aid to Ayut County in Jonglei State. Speaking to journalists during a monthly media briefing in Juba, Ambassador Thomas Kenneth Elisapana, the spokesperson for the Minister of Foreign Affairs, say the government only saw the information on social media. According to him, no formal diplomatic letter or official message has been delivered to the ministry. He said, and we quote in simple way, "We have not officially received any communication. What we saw is only on social media." On January 8, the United States announced it was suspending foreign assistance to Ayut County. The U.S. also said it is reviewing aid to Western Barghazal State. The reason given by the U.S. was continued abuse, interference, and obstruction by the South Sudanese official, which they say it has blocked humanitarian work. The U.S. Embassy in Juba also warned that life-saving medical supplies have been blocked for months in Western Barghazal State. However, Ambassador Kenneth strongly rejected this claim. He said the accusations against senior government officials are not proven, not supported by evidence, and therefore not true. He added that South Sudan is a sovereign country and respect the decision of the U.S., but also expect respect in return. The government of South Sudan insists it has been allowing humanitarian access through the proper authorities. This disagreement shows growing tension between South Sudan and one of its largest aid donors at a time when millions of people depend on humanitarian help. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's look at 9 inmates freed in Rumbek under presidential pardon. Well, in a separate development, 9 inmates have been released from Rumbek Central Prison in Leer State. The release happened under a presidential pardon issued by President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Prison officials say the pardon applies only to people who committed minor crime, not those who have committed serious crime. The Director General of Rumbek Central Prison, William Mariela Agog, said the selection was done after an assessment carried out in October. He clearly stated that no murder suspects were released, no cattle raiders were released, no serious crime suspects were included in this pardon. One of those freed is Makur Nyod Marol, a teacher who had been held in a military detention facility for more than 60 days. Makur described the detention condition as very bad. He said the place was extremely hot. There was no ventilation. Prisoners suffered physically and mentally. After his release, Makur said he is weak, suffering from chest pain, and need urgent medical care. He also made a strong call: "My release is not enough. Many innocent people are still suffering inside." Human rights group welcomed the release but said more must be done. The Community Empowerment for Progress Organization, also known as CEPO or CEPO, called on the government of South Sudan to release all detainees ill without trial and bring suspects to court instead of military detention. CEPO or CEPO say respecting human rights and rule of law is the only path to lasting peace in South Sudan. Let's move on. UN warned of rising abduction and sexual violence. According to the United Nations or the United Nations Mission in South Sudan, UNMISS has raised serious concern about the increase in abduction and sexual violence. This is despite an overall drop in conflict incident. UNMISS released its quarterly human rights report covering July to September 2025. In that report, the report showed 295 conflict-related incidents, 1,153 civilians affected, including women and children. The data reveal 519 civilians killed, 396 injured, 159 abducted, and 79 victims of sexual violence. While killing and injuries decreased, abduction increased by 20% and sexual violence rose by 7%. UNMISS leadership called this situation unacceptable. The violence affected many states including Apenal, Jonglei, Unity, Central Equatoria, and Western Barghazal as well. The UN also warned that forced displacement continued to destroy communities and increase humanitarian needs. Civilians are trapped between army group shelling and airstrike. UNMISS urged all parties to respect international law, protect civilians, and end violence against women and children. Let's move on. Government rejects U.S. aid obstruction claim. Well, the South Sudan government has again rejected the U.S. claim that officials are blocking aid. Ambassador Thomas Kenne said the allegations are unfounded. The U.S. said an aid worker was detained in Ayut County for refusing to give away assets. They also accused a state minister in Western Barghazal of blocking medical supplies. The government said it has not officially received these accusations through diplomatic channels. Ambassador Keynes has stressed that South Sudan facilitates humanitarian work and does not support obstruction. He also said issues like unpaid diplomat salaries fall under the Minister of Finance. Another report, clutch at SPLMIO base in Leer killed 5. Violence erupted at the SPLMIO military base in Leer County in Unity State few days ago. According to the report, at least 5 people were killed and 4 others wounded. The fighting happened after a dispute over military leadership within the opposition forces. Different officials give conflict account, but all confirm that civilians were affected in this incident. Residents fled their home for safety. Some people ran to a place called Plain Payam, fearing more violence. Though the fighting stopped, tension remained high. This incident shows how internal power struggle continue to cause innocent lives. Let's move on to President Salva Kiir Mayardit reshuffle Western Equatoria government. According to the report, President Salva Kiir has announced a major reshuffle in Western Equatoria state. Several ministers and county commissioners were removed. New officials were appointed, all from the ruling SPLM party. The change affected agriculture, education, transport, livestock, and county administration. The president also appointed new members to independent commission dealing with justice, elder, and conflict resolution. Supporters say reshuffle improved performance. Critics said real reform need accountability, not just new names. In conclusion to our report, today news show a country at the crossroad. 8 tensions, human rights abuses, internal conflict, and political reshuffle all point to one truth. Peace in South Sudan is fragile. Civilians are suffering, and leadership decisions matter. South Sudan future depend on respect for human life, rule of law, honest leadership, and protection of civilians. We will continue to report without fear or hate, with respect for all communities. Thank you for watching Changfied YouTube channel news. Please like, share, and subscribe to support independent African journalism. In this report, Male Bia Kamal, Guasame, Banarai Ketin Konalat Karodian, to kon kalere gorliang kalere to ketin kon tuore wika South Sudan banakalin kel kadwo bran chi to kaja buko to kalere nyam Guasame, la US chi kuma government ke government of South Sudan marai ke self ke yadi da kana kan ke inform kuma marai ke US ke kuma US government dun South Sudan jikala ro ne kan official letter or any notice ke ne dormi de larke kan receive ke United States de ke jogo no ko do badan en cha lok cha ja kap chonga je dar chal ka yot kan ke jongli state South Sudan kan ngajala South Sudan government Guasame chi naro ke journalist ni ko korpa de paiwe sha media sha je brief rewi ke juba ambassador Thomas Kenis Elisapana jana jaram dan la spokesperson Minister of Information jaram dan ran Minister of Foreign Affairs jala do nena kuma South Sudan wo kan ne jaga social media man chalat kuma USNO take a log ma cha kap chon ke jika cha lok cha suspend eno ka yot kajo chalat Guasame wa formal diplomatic letter mi cha gor kono wala wargala gwarga banen mi joj no tele official de cha mi ke message kado badan dong chinami chore kap chonga ja kajo mi chalat Guasame chikala do nena can we have not official receive any communication tele jom jiben kane mention ne men cha gor social media can they were not aware of that and we take warga mi cha gor no sha 8 delivery ke lok cha da kapchong re week South Sudan so can quick dan le road Guasame ka pa badak shankal pa badak United States chicken announce no ne chicken foreign assistant to ayur kan ji kana kapchong ala lok la tu ka ayur kan kana kapchong kana ta lok ba to baji United States cha jo mo cha la na ka pai ke chamba da ka pai ke mi mo pan ka ja US ka la ro ne ku ka review ne ta lok da na lok na again they are in reviewing of Western Bargazal state ko dong de kana suspend ko wa go to chi US ka la ro ne ko ne yar ka kwa ke cham ka lok la wi wa ko officially ning South Sudan so kujamo kuma South Sudan awala kan loka langun ke jina state la kar wial loka je deno bo kan re country la vulnerable ne re kona shoot wachi janda lat kana mi yata kwakri chubuka la gur kan ngano bi kan karior so cherre ko ma chala do no chi jiwa se chi kana lok Indonesia ambassador Kenes chela do chere ja kaman chala da jiwa se no te ka South Sudanese official te cham ka kwak ko kono kwalang na te loka na kana chane gwain lora bang tel kwak cha cham kana kuma South Sudan ko ngada respect lo la ji humanitarian aid la no ka ki donore ala ko ala loka na kana la ka deliver gwadan men gorga no bi ka uten kana to tell me she can violate chicken jo mo chicken la but USA la kari ponya le ngai kana so ngai kon dia la United States again the largest donor aid donor we ke South Sudan kana ko ala loga South Sudan mi chicken lo ki kana kapchong bu kon ngaje no tirek tigane rek tigatan so na me la rota wana kala do dien daro shal gorum be kante wa cha ne damwangan cha ka kamrar ne ti de kolar ne cha yende jidwere tigare tijen kan tegurum be Central Prison Lake State chala do chi prison self kem yadi chane ti chaka pardon ke chaka palika ka jomo chala ne dambangwan cha kalon kane dambangwan ato ka jomo chala da Director General dum be Central Prison wuri chala William Marial che jo che jala Guasame chala William Marial agok chala do ne na kane ti kane de cha assessment chala requirement ke cha gwe cha lan ka jen pai wala kane bana pai wal ke pai wero you can decide no ba ka dun ka pai kel so kane retortin chalu ne kane ne te tele ka background kan nang nat na tele ka background kane rin kono kwal ko ka wa tele ka background bo ka te koken e bare ka normal dio jo normal issues tin ko la to Ramadan chalu nyugu chalu makur nyon marol jena wa teacher ki ngich jen cha yen military cha yen ka military detention facility ka nini jandang bakel la pesro chela den wudu men cha te chalu makur nyot marol jena situation be jelung gwal dan chana yenten jena mi be jena gora na yenten dul yen ka le delung ka tele to go to ten tele ventilation la mandana na kula kolka jom jena be jelung jena na chuin na physically and mentally lo changna jegra jamo ka jano mening na ba hu ga mi jegatan ka korga me cha jalun chala do ne na jene wikelo che point ya tel gwat ke tel mun da lon kala ne jene lo de beje gor jeno de jana ndul wal che jomo che jalat. These are the people that are pardon Kirm Yadit. She would have Edmund Yakani, key community empowerment for Fogels organization leader, Gerard no Guano, Kane, the Allen Con, iterating genital due, they go in the alco, they keep detention chagua. I don't much ajalakan. One keripon Michal Guasame, Revika South Sudan. Alaji was still a Jomigan lat Canadian Tamarika South Sudan, a Lamaigan, abduction, a watch, did Canadian corn and Kapka, men, Pinket, Kapka, Guarpin, Kajom Michel Lord. United Nations Mission South Sudan, la Union ka data ni kana collect keripon Michigan Laden who a Cane Tardan and Kapka Gad, you know, Jermalat ke great people administrative la kan gala kan kanang te report kan golat gwazmen wo ci duwar ci road and cap gun and ono ji yuni mi sigara gwazmen kala do ne ke report an kan lat kan ne te chup ke kudang ro jen bongon wi di canadian content dio je chaka fa ka jen conflict kan ne te kid korkol jen di dok ke civilian tichi chiang jeg mu jikana jeg kan ne rudi and yal ka gat kana men ka datan ko ni jikan ka reveal kan ne 519 civilian chaga nak ala ne tu kudang di wel bongon chaga nak re kurnitin kono tok kan ne tu kudang de jen bongon bakal cham ka bod re kurto kan gar chu ko kol jen di bongon ka kan gar ko na chama ka bom ani ko la gala ka kwal chikan ya ora jen wona ne jen baru dongwan ka victim kan ne ko na kap ka pin re which ka so Sudan chet ka gwar nyet kanaman tin kap ka pin ka bom woni especially the content la military la kan guard la kan ka kep kan men pin wa cha jo mo cha lad no ji yuni miskara da ka la kan violence charity gwadan to ka tin kan to ka panal a panal lon ka jongle state ka unity state ka central equatoria and then last ke western bargazal ji UN chicken warning chicken to bono ne men la de tamne na chicken chimane to want to quad displaced ka kwikor kono to ka joka nan wone ne ji yuni mis joka South Sudan ki all parties tente ko no de kwa international law kwa jelo ta la ngot yen mo lo da ke chikala do ganga civilian anyok kwa balin kwa kapchong kamnan kana gat kab korchong chikan jo mo chikan light Jordan gwasame kuna South Sudan kan chaka gwanji USA no kan cham kan kwak chemen channeling cham kan kwak you know ya kwa anang wala kana wiya cham so kan no tele kwak ti chikan ka cham ka jo chalat gwasame ni wa ayut jen dordana chaka chonga kan on de kontiken mission mo so lere jagwad mande nyo kon kel ki president Salva Kiir Mayardit daro chalki Equatoria che kware ke che garajan right now ne to malar ken no de ne Kiir telmeda nan ka ji Equatoria be kumina mi ba jo garajan ke bana ba ka kwan wana mo power abuse ba ka je ka tara na chalat ke jem so ne ko ne che gar ka ji agriculture ka ji education ka ji transport ka ji livestock ka county administration ne de alti che garajan so in conclusion ka dunan gwas min banaling o so Sudan ngura tere ko rutwan gor jeno de malder tin gor jeno de ne de alde kan jal ke le unity but not yet can Kiir can that much are can take mal ko Kiir point ngoda kan mal kan je goro be bere ke South Sudan of course goro jalong de mal derben but at this point not yet tell mission at all so kuja mo na jalong no de kona kapchon gwaseme pal ne ko be South Sudan be take mal kan inten be ko South Sudan teme temial tel peace michene ben so ti dial be kelong de ko lar no di mun no ko de bala mal de no be korba ben kon lat kon ne shang no de mal de be ko South Sudan but the person me de mal de no nge Kiir Mayardit President Salva Kiir Mayadi jen take key kede diality jen take a decision e dialo mugor jano de maldara ban mugor jano de kore kapchong is the only person to take power. So ko kuje ma ko choice no bi kore bi wo ba ba jamat ka jar wona me especially ka kan pattern be ba ba jalong gol jano de Kiir dara jal dara maldara jano ne dial tika Kiir no mal no ni na chiliw malate wano ban ngot Kiir kana jana nok gwaye mi jiram jidit gwa sama ka Changfied YouTube channel goro no jin bi channel bi nyane ko ken en bi ataka mal ban je kale rodien bye bye.